Hello there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you different methods of the F and F minor chord. As always, I like to start with the strings for those of you who are brand new to the guitar. I'm going to turn my tuner towards you so you can see the tune. On the top is the low E string. Below it is the A string. Below that is the D string, G, C, and high E on the bottom. And the way to remember the strings is Eddie, 8, Dynamite, Goodbye, Eddie. Now, the first method of the F chord I'm going to show is you fret the bottom two strings, the B and the E, on the first fret. On the second fret, you fret the G string, and you don't press them very hard. Don't need to hurt your fingertips. Only press hard enough for it to just touch the fingerboard. And on the third fret, you fret the A and the D string, and at the top string you fret in the first fret. So best to do it with your thumb, because all your fingers are being used, and strum all 6 strings. That is the F chord. Or alternatively, you can not fret the bottom 2 strings and just fret, keep everything else the same with your fingers, and just fret the top 4 strings and not the bottom 2. That is an alternative F chord. Alternatively, you can fret the D string in the 3rd fret, and in the 5th string you fret the G and the E, and then the B chord with your pinky in the 6th fret, and just play the bottom 4 strings. That is also the F chord. Or a little easier is the 5th string you fret the G and the E, and the B string in the 6th fret, and with your pinky the D string in the 7th fret, and only play the bottom 4 chords. That is also F chord. And one more method of the F chord is fret the A string in the 8th fret, and in the 10th fret you fret the 3 strings below it. Now you can try this with all the three fingers, or what I like to do is just press down with all of them with one finger. Then you only play the middle 4 strings in this method, and that is also the F chord. Now F minor, you fret the bottom 3 strings with, I just do it all with the index finger, or you could use 2 fingers, and the first fret, and you skip the 2nd fret and fret in the 3rd fret the A and the D and the low E string. That is also that is F minor. An alternative F minor is you go down to the 3rd fret, you fret the D string, and then in the next, the 4th fret, you fret the B string, G string in the 5th, and E string in the 6th, and play those 4 strings. That is F minor as well. And that is all I'm going to teach today. Thanks for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and